So this Diwali season, I binged and binged and binged some more when I thought no one was looking. Of course, I did it with the promise that I'll get on a detox diet soon after. So I decided to sample some healthy stuff that HungryForever whipped up. Just keep watching if you want to know what I thought of them. I start off with a saltwater flush. Yeah, apparently that's a thing. Needless to say, I had to drink a gallon of water to get over that. Next, I tried having a detox salad. Funny enough, it wasn't as bad as I imagined. If you want to know how it's made, there's a link in the description. Moving on to a baked blackberry oatmeal dish. I always imagined oatmeal as horse food for some reason. It tasted pretty good considering the health benefits. Probably wouldn't prefer it to pancakes or waffles, but it's a start. Now moving on to the best part, dessert. That's a chia seed pudding. The 4-year-old me would think it's a disgrace, but the wannabe healthy 20-something-year-old is kinda thrilled. But I hope I never have to do this again.
If you're like me and had a lot to eat this Diwali, you should definitely try out these 3 cleanse recipes. So if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.